Alright, so I'm out here right now with this snow, and it's still coming down, so I'm only going to be out here for a minute, but I want to see how much is out here. So I brought the tape measure. We're just going to put it in right here. It's about 8 inches. Yeah, it's like crazy out here right now. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock now, 1 a.m. and the snow's pretty crazy. So let's see here how much it is. About 11 inches. So let's go see what it looks like out here. And it's still coming down, by the way. It's deeper over here. It's over a foot right there. Let's go see. Some trees have been falling out here, as you can see. It's really deep. Oh, this isn't good. Yeah, so that tree's probably gonna come down. One over there just fell. I don't think I want to get under this. Yeah. So let's go see how the roads are real quick. And the street. The street's actually not too bad, but it still has a few inches of snow on it. These branches are almost touching the road. And it's still coming down. So, oh, there you can see a better view of it, I think. So it is, I don't know, 11 something in the morning, and this is the snow from last night. And it's still snowing, by the way. Oh my gosh, and we have Leia here trying to run through the snow. So, let's see how much snow is here. If I can hold Leia for a minute. She's not making this easy. About 20 inches. 19 inches of snow. That's great. And let's go now. And it's more over here. And there goes Leia. And it's still coming down, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Hey, Leia! Come on. Oh, those huskies in the snow. So you post your video of the snow. Show them what you got. Leia. Let's go back in. So it did finally stop snowing, for now at least. So, it's pretty deep. At least 2 feet, I think. And it's supposed to snow again on Tuesday, so we'll see what happens. Make sure you upload your video as a response and show me how much snow you got. Thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.